I'm Nick Junior Scam Advisor. Today we are talking about UseWaterfall.com. Now, if a scam or legit, you should know about it. UseWaterfall.com. Stay connected with this video to know this. The trust score of UseWaterfall is rather low. Why? The trust score rating of the website is rather low. UseWaterfall.com may be a scam. We rated determined to trust score using a computer algorithm. The algorithm has looked 40 plus data point on which basic it creates a trust score. Source are third party review, the location of the company, the hosting party used by the website, if the website has been reported to sell fake product, etc. As the review of the website is somewhat low, please to take time check the website yourself. Our trust score is only a recommendation. Positive highlight: first, online shopping feature we are dedicated. Second, we sound a valid SSL certificate. Third, other content may be present on the website. Fifth, DNS filter label the site as safe. Negative highlight: first, the identify of the owner of the website is hidden on who. Second, the rank and how much traffic is rather low. Fourth, the server of the site has server low reviewed other website. Fifth, the register of this website is popular among us scammers. Sixth, the age of the site is very young. Do comment your thought about this website in this product. Please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon.